We're Immobiliser Fit, and this is a left-hand drive full-size Range Rover protected with a Halo Plus Immobiliser. For the customer, they can have a tag on their keys, which this customer's going to have. They can choose from a code. If someone got the key, went to steal the vehicle, when they pop it into gear, the vehicle's just going to turn itself off. There you go. With this system, it gives the customer one attempt to make a mistake, get it wrong, but you're also going to get a phone call if a thief's attempted the vehicle and tried to steal it. You're going to know straight away. So in a second, you're going to see the phone ring. There we go, the phone's ringing, letting us know someone's attacked the vehicle. If the thief's in a rush, they're obviously going to try it a second time. When they pop it into gear this time, you're going to hear what happens. Horn goes off, vehicle cuts out. We can disarm it with a code, and then when we turn the ignition on, the system's disarmed and the horn stops firing. This system takes 10 seconds to activate from when you turn the ignition off, so the system should be active now. We'll know because when we started, we won't hear a double bleep. We did, so it's within 10 seconds, so we'll just turn it off, give it 10 seconds to arm, and then we'll show you how you drive it if you were just trying to drive away and you didn't have your tag. So now if we start it, we don't hear a tone. If we popped it in gear now, the vehicle's going to cut out. So if we did that, it's going to cut out. So we'll put the code in, 1, 2, 3, we'll wait for a tone, and now we can select the gear and drive away, and the vehicle remains running. Turn it off, the system takes 10 seconds to set, and then if someone attacks it without the code or the key, it's going to cut out, you're going to get a phone call, and then on the second attempt, the horn's going to go mad, so everyone around's going to know someone's trying to steal the vehicle. To get one of these fitted, give us a call on 0208 212 7393. We're Immobiliser Fit, and it's the Halo Plus. So once again, start it up, pop it in gear, vehicle switches off, we get a phone call. Our number's 0208 212 7393. Thanks for watching.